One of the best compliments that we can get in masonry restoration is, oh my gosh, it looks like you never did anything. And that's the best idea. We're bringing these things back to life. One of the things, about half of the scope of this project after the tuck pointing, is cleaning these walls. So we're gonna use a couple different chemicals that are gonna actually help all of this atmospheric remains that are left behind. This wall, these mortars actually used to be a brighter color and they were all consistent. But due to the trees and the foliage, the springtime, the winter, the elements, it drops down on here and it stains this and gives it a really dingy look. So when we're done with this whole process, the whole point is to have all of our mortar joints completely sealed up. Any of the loose brick that were installed, to clean those brick out, reinstall them with a full bed depth of mortar, and then clean these walls. Finally, when we're done, what we do in the process is we will come through with a siloxane-based sealer. This is gonna keep the wall in amazing strength and it's gonna give it beauty for a long period of time. Back when these walls were originally built, the sealer wasn't out. So now we have the advantage of giving them the look when it was originally installed 30 years ago. The quality will be the same and then it'll last even longer. So if you have any tuck pointing on your house, if you have any masonry, foundation, block, concrete work that you need done, give us a call today or go to brickworksmi.com.